Hey guys, so in my last video, I was just saying how I like to, when I do my designs, I do them from the top of my head, which I do. They're not like pre-planned or anything like that. I just, when my daughter's in bed and my husband is settling her down, I just like to, well, sit down, and my way of chilling out is doing nails and things like that, and they're not like professional like some of them are on YouTube. I mean, I don't have like the best standards of doing nail art or whatever, and at the moment I haven't got the best at cameras, but I'm working on that one. But I just, before I start to get the hate for my nail designs, I'm telling you now that I know they're not the best designs, but I enjoy doing them. If you don't enjoy watching my designs, then please just click off, because and don't subscribe to me, because I enjoy doing this. So being put down by people, it's worthless. This isn't like my dream job that I want to do. It's something that I love to do, to help me chill out. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I just don't want people like, oh, it's not like the best design in the world, I know someone who's doing this better. Well, yeah, I know people that do nails better than mine. I mean, I just enjoy doing them, and I hope you like, I just hope you enjoy watching them, basically. I mean, most people will probably do my design and think, oh, mine's better than hers. Most probably they are, yeah. So I'd like to see pictures and things, you know, show them off. And that's another thing. To all my videos, I would love it if, like, while you're doing your nails, even if you're not like a fan of putting videos up, just do a little video just showing what you did. You don't even need to talk, just like write down what you want to say on a piece of paper or something, pull up and then show the nail. I do anything, but I'd love to see your nails. I mean, you don't even need to show your face off if you really don't want to. I mean, I was really shy about going on camera, doing things like that, but when I get into it, I really enjoy it. But yeah, like I say, my nail designs aren't the best, but it's just something I like to do, to chill out from what's been happening in the day, whether I've had an amazing day, a pretty shit day, any day. I like to just chill out by doing my nails, and before I didn't film them, but now even if they are pretty bad, I still like to film them, get them out there. Maybe the more I do, the better I'll get, whatever, but yeah, I just don't want to be judged because of it. My main thing that I really want to do is photography. I'm starting a photography course in September at college, and then hopefully I'll be going on to university. I've even looked into universities and seen the one that I really like, but yeah, that's just getting far into me now. But yeah, so I don't have like the best designs, but they're my designs, and I don't go on to other people's YouTube channels, have a look at theirs and go, oh yeah, that's the design I want to do, copy it and say, no, I thought of this design, it's my design. I don't do that. I just think of something and think, that's what I want to do. If not, it's because I've been requested to do it. So, like, there was someone on my Facebook before, one of my friends on my Facebook, he wanted me, he was mad on IKEA. He's like someone who always shops at IKEA. Now it's changed to Morrison's. But he was mad on IKEA, and he was just messing around saying, why didn't you do an IKEA nail? So I was like, why not? So did an IKEA logo. Anything. I mean, if I have any requests, I'll do them straight away, even if they're not the best ones in the world. I've still done it, I've tried. And when people go on about doing it on the right hand, yeah, I will do some tutorials on my right hand, but that's when I get more confidence to do it on my right hand, because I know that because they're going to be so boring and they probably ain't going to be that good, I'll get hate on them. So if I don't put a tutorial up on my right hand, I'm going to get hate. If I do one and it's crap, I'm going to get hate. No matter what I do, I'm going to get hate for it. So I don't know whether to just ignore it and just go the flow, how I want to do it, how I feel comfortable, which I think that's what I should do. If I don't feel comfortable doing it, why should I do it in the first place? This is turning into a moan now, I don't want to moan. I'm in a really good mood. I'm so happy, and nothing's gonna spoil that mood. I'm prepared. I'm ready for all the hate. There's not much more I could say, apart from the fact my husband's just got back, so I'm gonna leave it at that. But yeah, all my designs are at the top of my head, thought of just like that. So they might not be the best designs in the world, but still, hope you do enjoy them, and please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. But if you do subscribe, only subscribe because you do like my designs or you like my vlogs or whatever, not because any other reason. But yeah, hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.